Breaking, Supreme Court cites K. Veeraswamy case, rejects plea for FIR against Justice Yashwant Verma. The Supreme Court today refused to entertain a petition seeking an FIR against Justice Yashwant Verma, citing the ongoing internal inquiry. The plea, filed by Advocate Matthews J. Nedumpara and others, challenged the judicial immunity granted to sitting judges and sought a reconsideration of the K. Veeraswamy v. Union of India precedent, which mandates prior consultation with the Chief Justice of India (CJI) before initiating criminal proceedings. Courts stand, inquiry first, action later. A bench of Justices Abhay S. Oka and Ujjal Bhuyan ruled that judicial intervention at this stage was unnecessary. If the inquiry finds wrongdoing, the CJI can direct an FIR or take other steps. But this is not the right time to interfere, Justice Oka stated. The court assured that legal options remain open once the inquiry concludes. Petitioners' concerns. Advocate Nedumpara questioned why no FIR was registered despite reports of 15 crores rupees in cash being found at Justice Verma's residence after a fire on Holi night. He argued that police, not the judiciary, should handle such investigations and cited a Kerala High Court case where an FIR was lodged against a sitting judge. If a bureaucrat or politician had been involved, an FIR would have been filed immediately. Why is this different? The petition asked. Justice Oka responded that established procedures must be followed and urged Nedumpara to educate the public on the legal process. Justice Yashwant Verma's response. Justice Verma denied all allegations, calling them a smear campaign. He clarified that the fire occurred in an outhouse, not his main residence. No cash was found, as confirmed by a Delhi High Court registrar's report. What's next? With the plea dismissed, further action depends on the internal inquiry's findings. If misconduct is confirmed, legal proceedings may follow. For now, the case remains under judicial scrutiny but outside police jurisdiction.
Think again. Meet Blackletter Media, the championless journalism and bold storytelling.
Protest, a sign of being alive.